We eat fruits, but most of us do not know really the benefits of these fruits, when to take these fruits, how much quantity to take, and what are the health benefits, and sometimes could be disadvantages is also in certain conditions. If you eat too much, or you eat at improper time, you eat at night before sleep, or take water just after eating fruits, that these are the things which should be avoided, which are not good. So there are the 12 plus benefits of eating guava, which is normally known as amrud in Urdu. Very, very useful fruit, has many benefits actually, and is very tasty as well, particularly if it is taken fresh during the seasonal fruit during the season. That is the best, and if it is not too ripe, and it is not too hard, so that is the condition when it is best suited, and it has excellent taste also. So the benefits include, it improves your immune system because it has so many minerals, vitamins, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, something like that, but doesn't have vitamin D much, as well as B12. For that, you have to take some other fruits. Uh, Usually it has up to 1.4 grams in every 100 gram of fruit. This is about guava. Reduces blood sugar levels, and so it is good for diabetic patients. And number 3, this is good for treating constipation. But basically, one of the best good advantages is that it is good for constipation, removing constipation, but not too much. Too much is not good. So you can have digestive issues if you take too much also, but it is good for your digestion system if it is taken in a reasonable quantity. Usually recommended is a normal size one guava per day, during midday after meals. And it always should be taken sometime after half an hour to 1 hour after meals. And don't take water after taking guava. Immediately after, say, 1 hour after eating guava, you can take water. The reason that it can reduce digestive enzymes, as well as can change the pH level from acidic to alkaline, so which is not good for the digestion. The fourth one is that it helps in controlling bad cholesterol, that is HDLs, triglycerides, and serum cholesterol, LDLs also. So it helps controlling good cholesterol, and reduces the levels of bad cholesterols. So fifth one, it helps brain to keep your brain active and smart. Maybe perhaps even helps in memory, and also helps in weight loss because it has too many minerals and vitamins which will have effect on your overall body functioning, including the brain, as well as heart condition, because it controls bad cholesterol, as well as it has very good fiber content, which is good for general health, and it is a requirement. A certain level of fiber content is very, very important for your body. So most of this guava also take as a whole. Don't remove seeds and any part. Take it, including the skin. Take it as a whole. So this is very good fiber for fiber. Input, and having suitable fiber content in your body, which helps in digestion. Seventh item, it has good amount of vitamin C, This vitamin C helps in absorbing iron. This also has good amount of iron. So vitamin C helps in absorbing iron, so which is good, and also which will ultimately help in increasing your Hg hemoglobin level. So next eighth point is it is good for liver. As I said, it has antioxidants, and it will reduce also the uric acid levels. So it is good for liver. It has low potassium. This only few fruits which have low potassium and are recommended for kidney patients. So one of the very good benefit of guava is that it has low potassium, so it is safe to for the kidney patients. The ninth one, this is the ninth. The 10th point is it has also anti-cancerous effect because of having suitable minerals which keep your immune system healthy, so which can fight cancer also to some extent, but you cannot depend just if you have cancer, and you cannot depend just on fruits. You have to have continuous other medication which are recommended by the physicians. But this is preventive rather than if you already get cancer, so you have to take some other medications as recommended. So the next 11th point, it is also known to help improve skin condition. The 12th point is it has uh, a good iron quantity, rich in iron. It is rich in iron, about 4 grams in every 100 grams, say. So these are the benefits, and it is important that you take it at the proper time after meals, about 1 hour, half an hour after meals. Don't take it empty stomach. It can cause some stomach issues, digestion issues, and don't take water immediately after taking it, and don't take it at night because seeds are not easy to digest. So seeds, but always take this whole guava with the seeds and skin. Also, as I said, don't take it empty stomach after food. And kidneys, if you take too much, it is very important for this fruit and many other fruits. Don't take too much quantity of any fruit. So one guava normal size is enough per day. If you take too much, then it can cause kidney stones, or increase the prospect of having kidney stones if you take too much. Not only just this fruit, every fruit is good, but don't take too much. I just tell you one example about it. Actually, most of it, what I am telling you, most of it I had learned these things from my late father. Allah bless his soul. About 70 years back, when I was a child, he used to tell all these things. He was Hakim and a religious scholar, and very, very knowledgeable person. So he used to tell us most of these things, and subsequently during life and from other sources also, I gather this information to bring it to your matter. But many important things which I've told you, actually, I had learned from my father, say 60, 70 years back. And he was really, really very, very knowledgeable person in religion and health and other fields also. He was a teacher also at a school. So don't take these things easy. Most of these are well known, and what I'm telling you to my best knowledge, would be very, very useful for you. So take care and follow these things. Don't take too much of fruits. I was going to tell you one example. This is about 35 years when I was in UAE military. So I was living in mess. Um, a new group of Pakistani, uh, uh, you know, Pakistani officers who came on deputation. So they were pilots. So one of those who came to see me in the mess and usually used to eat with me in the mess. So I probably told him some benefits of fruits that my father used to tell us that take fruits, frequently. So after a few days, I went to his room and I saw plenty of dozens of apples and dozens of bananas and dozens of other fruits and melons. I asked him, oh, Captain, what is this? Said, you told me that your father told me that fruits are good. I laughed. I told him, my father said, it is good, but too much is not good. So take one banana per day or one apple per day or one guava per day, but not too much and not every fruit every day. So take one fruit one day, another day, another day. Have a balanced diet and all fruits not to be taken same day. So this is very important that don't take too much quantity, otherwise it can be disadvantageous rather than it can give you benefit. So take care and may Allah help me and help you and keep you in good health. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening.